everyone, welcome to watch our video. This video we will introduce you the interface of Lux Power hybrid inverter. So now you can see this is the interface of Lux Power hybrid inverter, and on the left side this is the battery terminal, and these are two MPPT input. This is the DC switch of the solar input, and this is Wi-Fi connection interface. You can plug Wi-Fi here. And this is terminals for the battery communication port, CT clamp, and this is for the paralleling connection, DRM control port. This is the EPS terminal. So you can see that one of our advantage is that you do not need to buy any extra box to get the off-grid output. It's all integrated in the inverter, so it's very easy to connect. And the last one is the grid input. Actually, it's bi-direction. Most of the time, we output power from here to supply the load. But if you enable the AC charge function, it will charge through the grid to the battery.